8 outer space. Let's see. 1. I don't think I have any space-themed balls in here. No. I have a shooting star for 2. Clouds aren't outer space, but I think I have a rocket for 3. No outer space food. Nothing in there. I hate this Orbeez drawer, I swear. I have an outer space putty. Is this outer space or just nighttime? I'm not going to count it. But I have an outer space cube. There it is. That's 5. 6. 7. This is technically an alien, right? So I'm going to count it. And I know that was 8, but I also know I have a rocket dimple in here somewhere. Not a rocket. I meant a UFO. Oh, and a rocket. I guess I have both. So what is that, 10? But that's more than 8, so it looks like I win. But thanks for playing.